So hello everyone and welcome to the new section. So in this section we are going to learn about the deployment. So how we are going to deploy the images that we have built. So we are going to deploy the images in two different types. In the first type, what we are going to do, we are going to deploy the image using the EC2 instance. So in the last video we have created the image of Mern app and we have pushed on the Docker hub. So what we are going to do, we are going to launch a EC2 instance and we are going to pull that image and we are going to run that image on the EC2 instance and we can able to access using the public IP. So that is the first way. And in the second step, we are going to use ECR and ECS. So ECR is stand for Elastic Container Registry and ECS is stand for Elastic Container Service. So using the ECR, we can able to store our images over there. So what we are going to do, we are going to build the image, okay, and later on we can push on the ECR. So later on we use ECS. So using the ECS, we can able to pull the images from ECR and running on the ECS. And you don't have to worry too much about on this point. So how we are going to creating the ECS and ECR. So I will cover up all the things in the details. Okay. So if you can do my AWS course, so it's available on the Udemy and it's free. It can be helpful for you. So if you don't follow my AWS course, so that is also fine. So if you follow me along, so you can do all the things. So only one prerequisite you need, that is the AWS account. So you have the must AWS account. So if you don't have it, just go ahead on the AWS website and you can able to create the AWS account and it's absolutely free for 1 year. So just go ahead and create the AWS account and see you guys in the next video.